guys, so welcome to part 9 of our data text processing in Python. So we are going to deal on removal of emojis and emoticons. So, and thanks to Google and GitHub because I had no idea on how to remove the emojis from text or the emoticons from the text. But thanks to Google, I had I encountered a tutorial in GitHub that was well explaining on how to remove both of the two. So I'm going to show you the code. These are the code points for removing the emojis, the code points for removing the symbols. Yeah. So definitely this is the code we are going to use on how to remove the emojis from our text. For emoticons, I'm going to show you the pattern that we are going to use on how to remove the emoticons. Emoticons are they were kind of like the emojis, but they came before the emojis. They just show the like these emojis rough in here. We have the emoticons that definitely shows the that kind of a feeling. So definitely this one is going to cover on that. So this is the code for removing the emojis from text. There are those who don't want the emojis on the text analysis in the machine learning. So definitely this is the function to remove such. So we have the text. So we are going to see whether it shall remove the emojis from the text. So definitely that's the code. Let's print the output by using the function remove emoji from text. Let's see whether the text actually returned we have the emojis or not. So let's run that. And that is it. You can see our text was printed without the emoji. So that's definitely the simple and most kind of the I can't say the complicated way, but that's the code. I just use the code as I found out on the GitHub. So definitely that's how it works. But this is the code points for the emojis. Every emoji has a code point. So this is the range for the emojis and the symbols. So that's how definitely this code works. So the combination of regex and the unicodes of emojis. So definitely that's how it works. So if any emojis belongs to the code pattern given here, that's how the emojis got removed from the text. There are so many ways to remove the emojis, but this definitely the best I found out that does some good magic on removing the emojis from the text. So now I'm going to show you on how to remove the emoticons. So I created a new file. So this new file is going to consist a list of all the emoticons that definitely really exist. So for this file, I'm also going to copy paste it on the description. If you might need it, you can just copy paste all these emoticons. So I created a new file emoticons.py. So then I defined a variable emoticons, no, dictionary emoticons. Then I pasted all the emoticons in the dictionary. So we are going to import this on our file so that we can use this dictionary in our program to remove the emoticon. So let's import that from emoticons. This one, the name of the file, emoticons. We are supposed to import. We are supposed to import the dictionary emoticons or emoticons, whatever the case. So like that, then we are going to use this dictionary on our emoticon pattern. So allow me to paste. So after pasting, so what we're gonna do, we're going to go to use the regex and the Unicode. So it's going to loop together emoticon code from the dictionary. If it exists from our dictionary, it's going to be removed with to be replaced with an empty string. So let's test this one. Now we can use the happy emoji, the happy emoticon. I guess it's done like that. Is it like that or like this? Yeah, like that. This is the happy emoticon. So let's see whether it will be removed from our text. Yeah, As you can see, our results was printed so very nice. You can see the emoticon was removed from the text. And definitely that's how to remove the emojis and the emoticon from text. So most of the times this happens on doing the analysis, and most of them are not remove the emojis or the emoticons because they definitely show some meaning on the text. And definitely we have a video to convert them into the respective words, like showing the if it's a smiley face, you convert it into word. And that's how we do it on removing the emoticons and the emojis from the text. So thanks to Google and the GitHub for that, because I didn't know how to do that. Definitely I had no knowledge on doing that. So that's all for, but perhaps maybe I will copy the link for that. Instead of copying these emoticons and everything, I can copy the link so that you can follow up on the more on removing the emojis and the emoticons. Instead of copy pasting all these text in the description, let me just copy the link to where I found out all this information so that you can maybe review from that. So thank you.